Hey, there it is, right on schedule. It's quite cloudy right now, so it's very difficult to see. You can see it right in the clouds, right there. There it is going through the clouds. It's in that cloud right now. There it is. It's just popping out of the cloud right there. It's in the cloud right now. Where is it? Anyway, once again, this was an ISS reminder. Right on schedule. There it is through the cloud. I can see it with my naked eye, but I'm not sure if you can see it on camera. There it is. There it is. Right there. You can see it through the clouds. It's darting in and out of the clouds. Yeah, it went behind another cloud now. Big old cloud. Oh, there it is. It did flash through the opening in the cloud, but it's gone through another cloud. But anyway, another ISS reminder, right on schedule. The app ISS Detector. I don't know where, you can't see it now, but anyway, it's gone. And it's reminded me the last 3 times when the ISS, quote unquote, is flying overhead. And this is not the ISS. This is the same living creature that I've gotten on a number of occasions. I don't know where it is now, but anyway, right on schedule.